Morning everyone, a quick tip today from me on how to get your website images onto Google. So Google can't see your images, so they can't know exactly what is in them. With that in mind, we need to tell them. So if you do have a WordPress website, what I'd like you to do is go to your media library, which is where all your images are stored. We're going to look in the first instance, so click on an image and we're going to look for a box on the right-hand side of the screen that says title. We're going to fill each of our images in with a title. The title is going to include the key phrase that sums up what that image is about and tell Google exactly what it should rank for. So key phrase, whether that's a wedding venue in Bude, whether it's a holiday cottage in Loo, whatever it may be, we want to tell them in that title box. Add one of those for each of your images and make sure that they're mixed up so not all your images are looking for the same key phrase. And you will find that they will start over 2-3 weeks to start appearing in Google. Good luck, have a go.